Mahirap.
Yeah.
Huwag tayong mag-expect masyado.
I mean, yeah. Suntok sa buwan talaga yon.
Suntok sa buwan. This was how Filipino director Lavrente Diaz described the chances of his film Norte, Hangganan ng Kasaysayan, of getting nominated for the Best Foreign Language Film category in the 2015 Oscar Awards.
We're just trying to do it. Pero mas nagbabang tayo sa quality ng trabaho. Ultimately, it's the work. Tingnan natin kung, pwede naman tayo manalo kung yung sa labanan lang sa quality ng work, sa klase ng work. Pero butuhan yan eh.
Sinuportahan siya na FDCP at saka ng executive producer ng film. So may maliit na budget. It's not that big.
Norte's producer Moira Lang said a screening for the Hollywood Foreign Press Association was also organized recently.
Kasagsagan ngayon nung season. So busy talaga lahat. So hindi mo ma-expect na maraming pupunta sa mga ganung screenings. Lalo na it's a 4-hour film. Sabi ko nga dun sa PR company, huwag yung itago na 4-hour siya. In fact, ipangalandakan nyo na 4-hour siya. Kasi yung pinakamahabang entry sa lahat ng bansa. Hindi kasi, that's what will set it apart. It's one of the things that will set it apart from the other entries.
At saka hindi sa magmukhang novelty kung tinatago. Kung pinalabas siya, ganyan talaga siya.
Ganyan siya.
Sana makapasok tayo. It's good for the country.
This is Cyrus Joseph Hejira, Inquirer.net.